Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can unarchive your archived mails into your Tutanota mail. I hope all of you know that old Tutanota mail is now just Tutanota mail after the rebranding. With this information, let's begin. Now, in order to unarchive your archived mails into Tutanota mail, you just simply have to open your Tutanota mail application. And now, after opening the application, your account will automatically be logged in if you save the account login information. Now, you will see all of the folders on the left side, and one of them is this archive folder. Just simply click into that folder. And in there, you will see all of your archive mails. You just simply have to select the ones that you want to unarchive. And after selecting the mail that you want to unarchive, you will see this file icon on the top right side. Just simply click into that icon, and from here, you will get the option to move it into the inbox. By following these very easy steps, you can easily unarchive your emails into Tutanota mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.